Alright, so I'm in Sanur today. I'm gonna wandering around Sanur, and I just stop in the coffee kiosk over here because the boy's singing and playing guitar. I'm gonna have a coffee before I start walking. And meanwhile, that's how it looks. Sanur! How are you, my friend?
Good.
All good? What's happened with your coffee kiosk on the beach? It's closed?
Yeah, that's good.
Why?
The customer.
Oh my god. When I go to Nusa Lembonan like last year, was still open, and now it's closed.
Yeah.
So bad, my friend. Do you have many customers here, no?
For now, we have regular customer now.
Regular one, but not so busy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That's how it looks, the place, very cozy place. Some people saying the best cappuccino in Sanur. Alright. Thank you so much, my friend. Good luck with your coffee business, okay? Take care. Thank you. Alright, so that's my chimney. That's how it looks live in Sanur. Over here is the Hyatt. Not Hyatt, the Hardee's supermarket. Now it's called Arta Sedana. As you can see, I just want to show you how it looks live over here. For every people who are familiar with Sanur, this is your place where you're shopping usually. Look the parking area, how many bikes is here and how many cars. Not much traffic, but the ice cream shop is open, and that's how it looks, the situation. Here is some coffee, also coffee warung. There is the one part of Sanur, and I'm gonna strolling around Jalan Tamblingan street center of Sanur, city center of Sanur, which is exactly this one. Yeah, that's how it looks, the situation. They have a very good coffee. So sad as the one kiosk is closed, and I forgot to lock my car. Well, that's not my car, it's rented, but well, still under the contract. I need to lock it. All right, so basically that's how it looks, the main street. I will walk around and I will show you how it looks, the situation, how is the general situation, and how is the businesses around, because some new businesses are established and so many old businesses are closed. So check this out. The plane. That's the leather shop. They have a very nice things over here, by the way. Some lady working around. So basically I make so many videos nowadays about Sanur, but always on the beach. And I just literally forgot about the Tamblingan street. I'm passing this street at least 2 times a day, every single day or more. But you know, sometimes what is the most closest to your place where you stay and what you see every single day, you forgot, is this very important for many of you actually. We got so many requests about showing Tamblingan. This restaurant is closed, so sad. We got so many requests about showing some hotels in this street and restaurants. I remember about La Cava Hotel, Swastika over here, by Ramayana Hotel closed, temporarily closed, as you can see over there. So sad. So this video is dedicated for everyone who used to live in Sanur, or really like Sanur and miss Sanur. Cafe Smorgas over here, open. Cafe Smorgas was one of few restaurants in Sanur what never was closed during the current situation. However, it's always quiet. Well, Cafe Smorgas is a little bit middle high range of the prices, maybe that's why. Here will be some new place, restaurant, seems like Italian, and seems like they're gonna open in very soon, maybe in next week too, something like that. There is the so this is the small Coco Martin. Over here was the diving center, which is closed. Well, not closed, it's just gone. and building is for rent. It's about 4 o'clock in Sanur right now. And situation looks how is it. Something here used to be, but it's also closed. Some warung here open, small beer 22,000 rupiah only. Here is the retro, open currently. Over here is the bread basket. Bread basket is also open all the time, and bread basket is actually quiet, busy, I could say. Kennedy barber. This is the barber where I had the haircut, and at the same time the vase cam, one of my very first videos. So this is the Lakhava. I don't know if it's called Lakhava or Lakhava, something like that. Some people ask about that place, and I'm so sorry as I didn't show you before, but I'm showing you now. Well, hotel, unfortunately, thing is closed, but the restaurant is for sure closed. That's what I can say. Heading now to Casablanca, which is Casablanca, simply over there. So we will see. Yo, what's up?
Hello.
All good, yeah?
How are you?
Oh, still alive, my friend, still alive. How are you? All good, yeah? Oh,
Oh, Bali bankrupt.
Bali bankrupt, yeah. It's always good crack. Yeah, Grab drivers, I think. Here will be something. And here is Casablanca Sports Bar. One of the most busiest places in Sanur in normal conditions, but currently it's closed. And they are opening only for weekends. And it's always empty even at weekends. Like sometimes somebody's coming, which is sad. They have even something here like notice, as they are closed only for short time, which is hopefully like that, and hopefully everything will come back soon. Back to normal. Here, Swiss Bell in Sanur. Now eventually it's open again. It used to be closed for many months. It's open again, not sure if it's busy or not, but it's open, which is a very good sign. I don't know what to say. I know you guys like to listen stories and listen something when watching some about Bali, but honestly, I don't know what to say today. Winnies feel much better. Somebody have a Mercedes over here, very nice. But after that, not much is happening. Many of these restaurants over here, unfortunately, are closed. They couldn't handle the current situation. But that's how it is. Some lovely lady driving bicycle. Also, these restaurants what are next to the Starbucks in Sanur, they are also closed, or they are open on very few hours a day mostly during the weekend. So that's how it is. Starbucks. Who cares about Starbucks? Starbucks actually in Sanur is famous. Many people like it. So here we go in the restaurant. Also somebody have an Alphard here. Normal thing. One more time, quickly show you about the Starbucks. Some boutiques over here, people driving. Oluvatu shop, very fancy shop with the very good quality clothes, open. Now heading into the Artotel Beach Club. There is so many people also living. That's the residential area. Nasijingo 7K. Situation in Sanur, on the Sanur beach, is quite busy, and many people coming on weekends, but also on the weekdays it's quite busy still. So many people on the beach. But the city center, which is Stamblingan Street, like this one, this is the Hotel Besaki, by the way. Taxi driver. City center is quite sleepy in Sanur, I have to say. It's busier than in Ubud and it's busier than in Kutalegian, obviously, but still is kinda quiet to compare to the, to the normal situations. Yeah, that's how it looks. Carla Spa closed. This place is for sale or rent. Heading into Artotel Beach Club, which is the Patrick always asking us about that place. Nothing has changed there, but yeah, I'm happy to show you how it's look like. Here's the spa, and here is the Artotel Beach Club. Hello. Hello. And here is the Artotel. Artotel is currently closed. Nobody knows when it's gonna be open again, as you can see. Some studio here, agency, Hanover Spa. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Oh, very well.
Bye. Some customer in the spa. Always happy people. Friendly. Here is supposed to be the marketing office of Seven Las. And Seven Las is the construction over here. That's gonna be some kind of luxury villas next to the Sand Beach Club. Luxury villas, some mini mall or something like that. I'm not sure, but definitely villas. So that's the biggest construction site in Sanur, and this is, well, they put the big wall. Maybe one day I will fly drone over there. There is the big thingy. Yeah, that's how it looks. Basically, that's how it looks, the situation in Sanur. Hoped there will be a little bit more action. That's why I even start working a little bit earlier, as 4 o'clock or something. However, eventually, yeah, not much is happening. However, I show you how it looks, the city center of Sanur, Tamblingan. Of course, I could go to Massimo or something, but that will be an opportunity for other occasion to show you how it looks, the other side of the Sanur. Meanwhile, yeah, thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow is another day, and tomorrow I'm gonna show you something new, or at least try to show you something new. Maybe tomorrow Winnie will gonna be with me on the vlog. So thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to click thumbs up, and oh, scares me, somebody dropped something, lost. Yeah, so big thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe. See ya.